Thank you, Purvi. Now, in our closing moments, let's conclude with a speech from Karan.
Good morning. First thing we'll be doing is smiling. I want all of you to smile, please. Oh, such lovely faces. I'll be honest. I was very scared before coming, thinking, will you like it or will you not? I'll tell you a story. You can title it as you prefer, as you wish. I'll title it Life Will Be So Much Fun. The story begins with a bus being taken to a school. A little boy cries, Mom, I don't want to go to school. Please, where is the chocolate that you promised me? My mom awkwardly smiles and leaves. Left me there. That was the first time I learned about human tendency to betray. I enter the classroom. I see my teacher, and something is so good about the pre-primary teachers, like everything. But then you grow up, and then you meet the most different species there exist, English teachers. No, when you were a kid, if a leaf fell from a tree, it simply did. A leaf simply fell from the tree. But these, when the leaf fell from the tree, the poet extracted out serenity, tranquility. When the dust of snow fell on the poet, a change in mood occurred every time. Then comes the special month, February. A secret meeting is signed between the committee. Plans are made to solve the global crisis. Teachers marching in rows, entering classrooms, throwing bags, reading letters, calling your parents, which you must deserve. Still okay. But why are you entering second and third class? What will you get there? A letter reading, are you my eraser? Because I have been looking for you. I plan to meet a girl. So I tear a page, I write on it. Let's meet after. I make a ball, throw it. Land straight on my teacher's head. Now we are meeting the principal after this. Still okay. My mom. See, in front of at least 10 relatives, and I'm just walking by, I've seen you naked, without clothes. And on one day I was searching for my shirt. Mom, where is my shirt? Yes, I've seen you without it. How does that fit into the conversation? Yes, I've seen it. Still okay. When I'm studying, I turn on the AC. A random voice comes in. A random voice comes in when Abraham Lincoln. When Abraham Lincoln was your age, you used to walk 12 miles straight. Cut a tree, make a road, cross the river, climb the mountain, go to school, and what are you doing? Dad, I'm studying. Please, studying. Sharmaji sir, you know, he's the best in school. Topper of the school. What are you doing? Still okay. But I'll tell you how I was schooled all my life. In grade 8, they said once you grade 8, life will be so much fun. Once you 10th, life will be so much fun. Take science, life will be so much fun. Complete 12th, life will be so much fun. Once clear this exam, then they said get a college. What am I doing in college? Viva, assignments, minors, majors, internals, externals, aces. Is this the fun you were talking about? Then they said, get a job. Then they said, marry someone. Life will be so much fun. The biggest mistake I ever made. I tell you, I sentence you to die is equivalent to marry someone. You are looking good today. Only today. I don't look good every day. Biggest mistake. Then they said, have kids. What am I doing? At 2 a.m. changing diapers. Then a wise man said, approach your problems. So I approached my wife, scared. I'm like, you little stinky human, listen to me. Kids your age in China start applying for PhDs. And you? And he smiles as if he understands. he grows up a little bit more and never studies. So I go to him and I use my first weapon, Abraham Lincoln. Go to him, Abraham Lincoln. Dad, don't give me that Abraham Lincoln again. When Abraham Lincoln was your age, he was the president of a nation, giving lectures to the nation. You are lecturing yourself. I use my weapon number 2, Sharmaji's son. Sharmaji's son. Dad, don't give me that Sharmaji's son again. Why don't you talk about Sharmaji's goddess? Let's meet some of the latest. Kids these days don't listen. He grows up a little bit more. Then I tell him, once you grade 8, life will be so much fun. Once you grade 10th, life will be so much fun. Take science, life will be so much fun. Get college, get a job. Then one day I go to him and I say, see son, we have left all Mumaya. But see our hands, they are empty. Why don't you put little Karan Juniors in it? This, we want someone to play with. He grows up a little bit more. So do I grow old. On one day, I was just thinking, when is life exactly fun? I might die tomorrow. The story continues. Now, I will take a pause here. Just 10% of stories left. But I will tell you sometime later, as I have taken a lot of time. I want you to know what all things that you need to learn from it. First, you will be doing many things that you don't like right now. Your parents scold you. Your teachers scold you to study. Why do they? Because they know the consequences. So will you at some point of time when you grow up. So, and we need to understand that for our parents, it's the first, they are living for the first time, so are we. We don't need to make it so much hard for them. Second, to all my junior 10Ps and my senior mates that will be appearing in the board, love the process as much as you do the destination. Why? Because till the time you won't be like, I can't get up. I need to get this done. I will do this. I will have to do this. Or that feeling of ye dil mange more. Till the time that won't come, I am sorry you won't enjoy the destination and you never get it. So you need to love the process. And third, the quote that Irene shared. I'm quoting this to my advisor friends that learn from the mistake of the people who took your advice. So in the end, thank you for listening to me, and your smiles are lovely, lovely audience. Thank you so much.